Hi everyone, this video I can show you how to install SSD in your desktop PC. Let's start with me. Here we can see different SSD or some tools so that I can install easily. Just to beside and now I need to open this case. Carefully open this case so that I can install it. Now I open it. Here you can see my motherboard and SATA port. My motherboard has 4 SATA port, 1 WD, 1 HDD. Already I installed it. Now I want to install SSD, second option. In that case, Apache SSD, I choose it because Apache is definitely best. Now I open it. Install. It is the stage of important. You can see it differently. Some parallel or horizontal. I just try to it how much position is better. Different casing has different port, and here. Now choose your screw. Different screw. I just try to who screw is better for install this. Maybe it works. Now I fix it and install it. Here need to one SATA cable. Here you can see the genuine SATA cable 6 Gbps. It's important that genuine SATA cable. Use genuine SATA port so that you can find more output. Yeah, maybe it work. Now I install it. See it carefully. Maybe it work. Now I install the screw. Carefully tight it so that don't move. One install it. Now I install second screw. Yeah, it's done. Here the stage. Here you can see SATA port. One SATA port going to HDD and second SATA port will be go to my SSD. Here you can see my installed SSD.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.